everyone, it's Jeff with Blizzard Ski and Snowboard School. Today we are at Wild Mountain for the first Sunday trip of the season. It's great to be out, the snow's awesome. The goal for today, get your feet back underneath you, get used to being out on the snow, get to meet your friends in your Mite, and Super Kid groups, get classified if you're new to Blizzard so we know what color you're going to start the season in, and all around have a great time. One of the things we like to focus on during the first trip out is safety, fun, and learning. We got 8 fantastic weeks of season in front of us, and we want to get started off right. Safety first. For our rookies, our never-evers who are new to skiing and snowboarding, today's the first day to find out what it's like to slide on snow. We get the basics down and we get you set up for a season of success. For our members who are coming back for another season with Blizzard, hey, maybe you got new skis or new boots over the summer. Maybe you got a new snowboard and you're learning some new bindings. We want to let you get settled into your new gear and feel what that's going to look like and what that's going to feel like for the season. Get comfortable in your new gear, and again, set you up for a great season with Blizzard. Thanks for coming out this week. We'll look forward to seeing you next week at Blizzard.